those questions that you have here. That's the Maxim Hot 100. Yeah! And she gets hotter and hotter and hotter and hotter.
अब ये जो फोटोग्राफ है इसी की वजह से इन दिनों वो जो सब इंटरनेट पे हुआ था, दिस वाज द पिक्चर.
Yeah, this was the picture. I can't get
It's there.
Yeah, that's the picture. There, this is the photo, the infamous photo. And so that was my reaction. मैंने अपने real, बड़ा गंदा लगता है ये word. But I must be a really big star if my armpits were on CNN in America. The way I see it. So my reaction was that I put a photograph out on Twitter and told people, judge for yourselves. That's it.
So how do you deal with this kind of a hectic schedule? And second thing, can I touch you?
You're so funny, Kubra. Way to make me feel awkward. Somebody from there saying me too. I know who, but I'm not going to point a finger right now. Fly my family wherever I am. I fly my friends wherever I am. I fly my cook wherever I am because I need my Hindi. I need my dal chawal at night. It's very important.
Wow.
So मेरी cook तो मेरी सबसे important बंदी है जो मेरे साथ जाती है. When you want global domination, you have to pay for price for it. It's as simple as that.
The rumor that Deepika, she refused to dance with you on song Pinga in IFA, is it true?
Ma'am, I have no idea. You'll have to ask the IFA makers. From what I know, that it was supposed to happen, and then I don't know what happened, why it didn't. So I ended up doing it in my act. But I have no idea. You'll have to ask IFA that. I'm sure they'll know.
Deepika Padukone, she's also doing well in Hollywood. ऐसे रिपोर्ट्स हैं कि आप दोनों के बीच एक ग्लोबल कंपटीशन है. पहले बॉलीवुड में था, ग्लोबल प्लेटफॉर्म पे भी है.
अरे आई थॉट आप लोग कहते थे कि हम दोस्त थे, अब कंपटीशन बन गए है ना. पहले तो यही लिखते थे ना सब लोग कि वी वर BFFs.
या
तो ये कैसे बदला, कब बदला, क्यों बदला?
वो आप बताएंगी हमें.
नहीं, मैंने तो नहीं कहा कि बदला है, आप कह रहे हैं कि बदला है.
तो उसी पर क्लैरिफिकेशन चाहिए था.
मैं क्लैरिफाई कर रही हूँ ना कि कुछ नहीं बदला, जैसे थे हम वैसे ही हैं. आपका नज़रिया बदला है जो आपको नहीं बदलना चाहिए. I can't do a Hindi film till my season 2 finishes for Quantico, so I have the luxury of time कि मैं टाइम लेकर, इसीलिए मैं एक्चुअली बॉम्बे इतना वक्त मैंने बताया because I've been meeting a lot of filmmakers. The problem is that I have only a certain chunk of time for next year, and I've heard so many interesting scripts. I don't know how to pick right now. So I'm at that point where I am being greedy.
Hi, Priyanka Mihir here.
Hi, Mihir.
Of course, all of us are anxiously waiting for Baywatch. But as far as the censor board is concerned and the manner in which it's behaving these days, are you kind of worried by it?
I'm not worried. I'll be very sad because Baywatch is a rated R movie. It is a comedy on, which is like that. Which is, common news because Dwayne keeps writing that on every post about Baywatch that he makes. But I don't know, apparently the conversations are going in a really great way. It is a certification board and hopefully we'll get certified. I hope that happens.